Hi, I'm here from Fujitsu in London at the Service Provider Research launch event, joined by Martin Bradburn from Peasoup. So Martin, Peasoup, pretty well-known hosting company. Can you tell us a little bit about what you do?
I would hope so. So Peasoup is a cloud hosting company, as you say. We're based out of London, where the head office is in Weybridge. And we started in 2014 and we brought hyperconverged cloud into Europe, effectively, on a VMware platform.
Okay, great. So in the research we've been discussing today, we've been looking at the type of offerings and that customers will want in the next few years and how they work with their service providers. Can you tell us a little bit about how you work with your customers, the types of things you do for them and with them?
Yeah, so interestingly, we pride ourselves on being a cloud service provider rather than a general managed service provider. And we do partner with managed service providers, and I think a lot of that messaging really emphasised that I should partner more because there's a much wider picture. But if I give you an example of our customers, so the important bit for us is, as a cloud service provider, we're not a credit card swipe company. It's really important we understand the customers, we understand what their drivers are to use cloud and the reasons why they come to use us. So on that basis, we can then take decisions about the business on their benefits and you know, at the end of the day, that's what gives us the reason to run the business. It's about what the customer wants and delivering it for them.
Great. So I guess what does the future hold? Where are you moving to? What do you think is the future?
Future's really you couldn't have caught me at a better time. We are just involved with a data center build currently over in Lincoln. That data center build will have immersed computing. It will also take the mineral oil from the immersed and use that to cool standard racks, so liquid cooled racks. So we're building out a new cloud in that space. Now, the original cloud was hyperconverged based on Fujitsu hardware, as you know. The new cloud will also be hyperconverged based on Fujitsu hardware. The difference being, obviously, we'll immerse it in mineral oil. We'll get the better performance out of the environment, and we'll be in a much greener data center. And that will give us our second site position. So we'll be replicating data between London and Lincoln.
Great, wow, that's exciting stuff.
Yeah.
Thank you, Martin. So that's it from us for now, and we'll be back later with some more interviews from service providers.